Here's a room tour of 536 on deck 2 on the Adventure of the Seas. I'm cruising solo on this cruise. I have a studio cabin on board, which actually accommodates 2 people. So, got the room key out. So let's go inside the room and take a look. Turn on the light, put the key in there, but that don't even work, so see the lights don't turn off. So I just need to set to hold my room card. Put the door shut. And on every door, on every room, and on every ship ever built, cruise ship, you get this with your muster station. Like my station was C8 on deck 4, and this explains what to do in case the alarm sounds or anything. And over here you have a breakfast menu and some stuff you can order for the room. That's your thermostat. And let's go and check out the bathroom. I just turned the light on. So here's the bathroom. Very small actually, but doable if you're traveling solo. Here's the shower. It's a tube. It's actually big enough for one person to fit in, surprisingly. And so you don't need to flood the whole bathroom to take a shower. You get the adjustable shower head, which I don't know how to pull the thing down. And you get complimentary shampoo and conditioner. So let's shut the shower. Here's your toilet, your standard electric toilet on a cruise ship. Here you get storage. You get 4 things for storage, and you get a little drawer which holds stuff. You get a standard sink and your mirror. Hello. Okay, so towel animal. The ship's rocking, that's why the camera just jolted like that. Okay, so let's take a look around the room. My suitcase is on the bed because it's actually the last night of cruise and I'm currently packing up. I was surprised when I walked in the room that I had a full size bed. So this room can accommodate 2 people. Max, that's the max room for those 2 people. I mean, this bed is good if you're traveling solo. And let's start down over here. This lamp here, that switch actually turns these lights on and off. So like if you go to bed and you forget to shut the light off, you can just flip that switch and you're good to go. You're in progress. So, here is the closet. Traveling solo, you get a good amount of space to put stuff. You get 4 shelving things for stuff, to put stuff in here. Your life jacket. You get like 100+ hangers to hang stuff. You can request more hangers if you need to. Here you get more storage. Here's your safe. You do get a safe. And you get all that too. That was loud. And you do get a mini fridge in your room. Each room has a mini fridge to store stuff. And wow, the ship's really rocking right now. And here's the desk area. Decent sized desk. It got my laptop fits on here just fine. That cord is for my hard drive, which is sitting behind my computer. And you get a mirror for if you're doing your makeup, getting ready for dinner or whatever. You get a drawer, which has stuff on the ports that the ship visits. World Wildlife portfolio, Royal Caribbean's portfolio, and shop on board for. So it's just basically what they sell in the shops on the vessel. Okay, that was my. Here you get more storage. You get 3 drawers to put some stuff here. You have a little shelf here. You know, the whole cruise, I've never figured out how to turn that light on. I've never figured out how to turn the stupid light on up here. And this is actually a connecting cabin. Alright, I won't open that. I don't think they locked it. But the room steward needs to unlock it for you. And you get one big mirror here too. The room's good. And you do get a plasma. The Adventure of the Seas was in dry dock last year before they moved here from San Juan to Cape Liberty Bayonne, New Jersey. And all the TVs got upgraded with plasma screens. I believe these are 21.5 inch or 32 inch TVs, I believe. And at the time you're watching this, it's January 12th. The ship's right now sailing out of Port Everglades, Florida, and Fort Lauderdale. You get plenty of desk space here. And you do get a phone, which can call room maintenance, the hospital, stateroom attendant, room service, wake-up call, and external. Which I believe external is for if you're calling back home or something. But if you purchased Wi-Fi to have on board the ship, and your smartphone has the capability of doing Wi-Fi calling, then you can actually make calls for free and not be charged roaming, which is pretty neat. But I must warn you though, the Wi-Fi on the ship though is not that great actually, because I've had issues where I've dropped calls and stuff. And I'm actually getting refunded for that because I've had so many issues with the Voom on board. So I'm just waiting until they hit my CPAS account so I can get the money back, because I feel that they did not live up to their standard on the Voom service, which I don't like that. So I hope you enjoyed this room tour of 8422. I was gonna tell you about my room. I just said the room I had on the Glory of 2536. Hope you enjoyed the room tour and have a fantastic day. And it's like me, can like to be human too. Oh.